Hello everyone, welcome to Eptic Knowledge. This is Yamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can import admin template in Laravel 8. Okay, so here you can see this is a admin template that we are going to use in this tutorial, and this is a website called Color ID. You can find a lot of admin template over here. I'll give you the link in the description so that you can check it out. And over here, since we are going to use this template, I'll show you the demo. Over here you see a demo option over here. If you click it, you can see the full demo of this admin template. Here you can see a lot of option over here which you can modify depending on your use, how you want it. Okay, so let's download it. So for downloading it, you just need to click over here, then it will take you to this page, to this GitHub page. Just click code and then click download zip. Okay, it will download the zip. After downloading the zip, let's go to the file location. Okay, let's just copy it or cut it from here and paste it inside this folder. Okay, so here first of all we need to unzip this file. So I'll just right click on the mouse and click extract here. Okay, here you can see that we unzip our folder over here, and I already create a fresh Laravel project over here, and this is the Laravel project inside that tutorial we are going to use. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is that we need to go inside this admin folder and copy the CSS file from here. Okay, now if you go inside dist, you can see some CSS file, and if you go inside build, you can see some CSS and JS file. Okay, so we are going to copy all those file from here, folder from here. Okay, and we are also going to copy index. Okay, so we are going to just copy all those. So you just need to copy the CSS file and the index. Okay, so just copy it, and we need to go to our project, which is tutorial projects public folder, and we need to just paste them over here. Control V. Okay, here you can see that we paste all the file in the public folder. Okay, so I already open my open this project using Sublime Text over here. If we go inside public folder, we can see that all the folder over here. Okay, so first of all we are going to go to resource and then views, and inside these views we are going to create a file named admin.blade.php. Let's save it, Ctrl S. Okay, and we need to just go to inside public, then index.html that we just copied from the admin file. Okay, so we need to just copy everything from here, Ctrl C, and paste it inside this file admin.blade.php, Ctrl V. Okay, so let's save it, Ctrl S. Now we need to show this view. Okay, so for this we need to go to routes, web.php, and over here we create a route okay, route get let's say it will be /admin, then comma, inside third bracket we need to write our controller name. So in Laravel 8 we need to write like this: app /http /controllers / and we need to give a controller name. let's say our controller name will be admin controller. Okay, now we need to declare a class name which will be, let's say, index. Our class name will be index. Okay, so let's save it, Control S. Now we do not have this admin controller, so we need to create this controller. So I'm just going to stop it from stop the server over here and just say PHP artisan make controller admin controller. Okay, and press enter. It will create admin controller. So if we go inside app, then HTTP, then controllers, here you can see admin controller. So we are going to create the index function that we just declare over here. Okay, so let's say over here public function index, then return the view over here. We'll say over here return view. It will be admin. Okay, here you can see over here admin.blade.php. It will return this view. Okay, so let's save it, Control S. Now we need to run this server again. So let's just make sure we save everything. Okay, now if we go over here and just over here, if we just say /admin and press enter, it will show us the dashboard over here. Okay, here you can see that the dashboard over here. Now if you want to like modify it from all those things, then you just need to go over here and you can modify it from here, from this admin.blade.php. Okay, so I hope I was able to help you to create admin dashboard in Laravel 8. And thank you very much for watching this video. And if you really like this video or if this video help you, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any problem, please comment below. I will surely reply back. And thanks again.